Hello, Live Clean Tribe. How are you today? I want to share with you what we use in our morning shake, breakfast shake, every single day. And I want to know what you are using. What are you having for your breakfast? If you want to share in the comment, we're looking for all ideas of how to make your shake, or if you're having something else for your breakfast, something healthy, perhaps you can share with us what you're having. But us, we have been having shakes forever, for years and years and years and years. This is our breakfast, but it has changed along the way as Modé has brought some new product, and we keep adding and adding different things to our breakfast morning shake. It's very green. Look at it. It's right here, and it's full of goodness. So let me tell you what we use here at home to do our shake in the morning. It starts with avocado and spinach, about that amount here every morning in the blender. Half an avocado, if it's that size, I put just half. So that goes in first. Spinach, avocado. We use almond milk. And you just make sure any milk that you like is good. It's to your taste. We like the almond milk because it's very low in calorie. Of course, unsweetened. It has to be unsweetened, organic if you can as well. And this is just the best that we find. There's the cashew milk. I love the coconut milk as well. Sometimes I buy the almond and coconut half. Delicious. So as you wish. So your milk, and then we have some yogurt. I choose the Greek yogurt, and I don't like anything low fat in any way, any products that I use at home. So I go for the full cream, no sugar, of course. So this one has 5%. That's the one I like. And it's really nice and creamy. So now, can you imagine with the avocado and the yogurt, it's already tasting really nice. So now we're gonna add more there to this. So what we put is our pea protein powder, and it's vanilla, so there's not much taste to it really. So you can make it whatever you like, because this is just your good protein, full of vitamins as well. There's so much in here, just to tell you: vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, C, E, etc. There's more. So this is so healthy and so good for you. And so 2 big scoops of the pea protein, and we have the cysteine as well. That's a protein. And so there's a few choices. We have whey protein as well. That is chocolate one. So you choose whichever one you like, but we like the vanilla pea protein. Now I also add the probiotics. Now, probiotics, they don't have to be mixed into anything, as you probably know. They're so essential, so good for you to have the probiotics. It's just that it's easy to throw it in the shake in the morning. We make sure that we have it, but it's not necessary to mix it. As you know, you can just open up this little packet and just have that just on its own. It's quite pleasant and easy to take. And but we have one every day, of course. I put it in the shake most of the time. Sometimes we have an extra one because it's nice. So, and what we put in our shake as well is my new best friend, Go. Because it starts your brains. It's good for the energy, to getting going, for the focus for the day, and the flavor. Oh la la! It's so delicious. Some people like to add fruit, of course, to the shake. they recommend berries. They're lower in carb. So blueberry, raspberry, strawberry is good. But me, I choose to add the Go or Revitalize. They both they bring up a nice sweet taste to shake without sugar, obviously, but they've, and gives you a lot of energy. So one or the other, but now my best friend is Go. We can have Revitalize and alternate sometime. And of course, another product that we've been having this product for a long time at Modern, and we take this every single day. It's called Green Key, and it's the super green. It's the green powder that's got 50 ingredients: spirulina, alfalfa, lecithin, barley grains, so many. You just go and find out. There's so many good ingredients. It's all green, and it is very, very green. And it does taste green as well. And here in the instruction, they say to mix it in a 8 ounces glass of water. So yeah, you can do this as well. Mix it in a glass of water. It's gonna taste green a little bit. Now, when it's here, see, I've put it in this blender already. When it's here, mixed with all our other goodness, I don't know, it blends really well, and so you can have your green key every day because it's so full of goodness. And we know that green ingredients, they help your body to be more alkaline, and that's what we want. We want an alkaline body, and it's healthier. And so the green key in your shake, so you can have it every day and it doesn't taste so green. All right, I always put a pinch of salt, pink salt, generous pinch of pink salt, because I'm a salty girl, and it really tastes really nice in the shake. And to finish up, I think I've covered everything. I put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of turmeric, just because it's healthy and it tastes really nice as well. So we have our shake like this every day, every morning. Really looking forward to it all the time, because it feels good, but it's also very delicious. Let's just have another look at it here. When you put it in the glass, it's so green and so delicious and so full of goodness. So I want to hear from you. I want to know, what do you put in your shake? What do you have for your breakfast every morning? Bon appétit!